Hello, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left, and that's the 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one, yes, a special one, 4 times a 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, lucky 7. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 16 printed digits, should be the easy one. The hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit for a 4 stars puzzle. Is this a 4 stars puzzle? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already given, so these 2 boxes should be 1 or a 2. You don't know in which order, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be 5 because we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. 1 box left with 3 should be there, so the 1 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those. More quadra boxes here. Quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. We have more T-shapes. Yeah. Here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Only 2 T shapes. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Oh well. Let me start. Yeah, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 4 here. Do we have more L shapes? No. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. We have only 1 of this kind of shape. Yeah. How about the following shape? This shape then. Let me draw this shape here. Yeah. Oh well. This one has the same number as that box. Okay. This shape. This box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. I believe here the Z or the S construction is not in this puzzle. Anyway, maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the one can be 1. That box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there and is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area from the 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This one is connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, we have a double 2 there, give me 3, can it be a 4, we have a double 4 there. Yeah, definitely a 5, okay. Then, these 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Yeah. This box can either be a 1 or a 4. We have a double 1 there, double 4 there. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this area for number 5. Yeah. Let me think. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yeah, definitely a 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for those 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Alright. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. It means that those 2 boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I can fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3, and those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have double 3 there, double 4 there, so the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be so 3 and a 4. But it can't be a 4 anymore because we already have a 4 here in the same area. Should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. So one box left in this area for number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for number 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Well, and now, let me see. This box can be a 2, so 2. Wait, this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. The 4 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 4. This box is connected with that box, should be a 3. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, can be should be a 3, can be 4. Yeah, can be 5. Yeah, this should be a 3. Need a 4. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And if eliminated there, the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this corner box for number 4. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from us 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, we go down. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These two boxes. Wait. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from us 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. Is also connected with that box, should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. Well, these two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there, finished in 14 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. Faster than 15 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Jigsaw Sudoku. playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4-star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer Sudoku, and also for the samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.